this is Dr. Robinson with how you share a link to a Google Doc sheet or slide or whatever in order for others to share. If you do Alt F to file, Alt Shift F to file, and you go to the first top share button, it's going to lock it, especially if you're a school district, and then no one else can see it. What you want to do is go all the way down to publish to the web. And you're going to hear link or embedded. You can do either one. We're going to do link and tab to publish button. It says, are you sure you want to publish this selection? You're going to click OK. And you get a link. Keeping in mind, only the people that this link is shared with are going to be able to view this doc. So I'm going to do a Control-C to this doc. Now, I'm going to pretend I'm a kid and I'm just pasting it someplace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it into a Word document that's not connected to anything, okay? And I hit enter, and it does become a link. But whether I select that out or if I right-click on it and open the hyperlink, it will go to that document, just like that. So that is how, if you're in school and you want your students to be sharing their files so everyone can take a look at it, go to File, once again, and you want to go down to Publish to the Web. And that is how you do that.